everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just kind of wanted to give like a little face video so you can actually see who I am. I'm Jessica and my channel is Honey Bee Crochet Studio. My videos primarily focus on patterns, tutorials, things of that nature, and then my shorts are just fun little shorts that I put together, and it's like funny crochet moments and things that I make and stuff like that. Today's video, I wanted to focus on organizing my yarn. So to give a little bit background information, my partner built me a whole big space, and in this space, I can store all my yarn. Before, I didn't really have a place to store my yarn, so I ended up getting this handy dandy thing off of Amazon as my first little thing to start storing my yarn because I have a ton. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to organize all my yarn. I'm just going to organize one little bucket because it's a lot. So this is the bucket that I'm going to be organizing today, or for this video, and I'll probably fast forward a little bit more so we don't have to go through all of it together because that'd probably take a long time, and I'm sure you guys don't want to watch all of that. But this was what I got off of Amazon as my first little yarn storage. It's pretty tall, and as you can see, I already kind of started unpacking some of my stuff, though it's not yarn, but my little tools, all my packaging stuff for like Etsy and stuff, and that's like completed projects. I want to do one section focused on like work in progress kind of stuff, because I have a bunch of whips, so as I'm sure every crocheter does. So I want one little section to focus on that too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just going to be going through some of this yarn. I'm hoping that it's not big of a mess for me because that would be great. So really I have a lot of these buckets. I don't even, maybe 4 or 5 probably, but yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of start going through stuff, and then I want to color code it, but we'll see how that works out. My main goal is just to move my yarn and organize it over here so it looks good and I don't have to, you know, constantly have to dig through this to find what I need. And here's one whip I found that's a turtle head. Obviously, I didn't feel like finishing the rest of the body. And another whip. So this is my big, super chunky yarn. So I think I'm going to put that at the bottom. And you'll probably notice I have a lot of Yarn Bee yarn. It seems to be my favorite yarn, and I get it at Hobby Lobby. Just a little side note. I found a turtle, and it's actually completed. And so I actually have a question for everybody as far as it comes to like scrap yarn. What do you save? Because personally, if it becomes a tangled mess and I have I'll save this amount of yarn for sure because you can actually do something with that. But it's like this kind of stuff, I just kind of get rid of this. And I know some people are going to get on to me about that. No need to do it, I get it. But yeah, my brain just does not handle tangles well. So I end up just like cutting it and then tossing it in the trash. So let me know your thoughts about this. Should I be doing it or should I not be doing? What do you do with your scrap yarn? I would love to know. Drop a comment down below and let me know. This is some of my favorite yarn, guys. Just letting you know. It feels so nice. And see, that right there is what I'm talking about. I will probably just cut that and call it a day and trash it. And that's the part I keep. Okay, so I think I'm officially done, kind of. I still have to rearrange it a little bit better, but for the sake of this video, I think I'm done. I emptied that out, transferred everything over here, created a scrap pile for my scrap yarn that I want to save, and then a box for my whips, and then a completed box, so let me show you. So this is the finished product. As you can see, I'm going to definitely need probably 2 more of these, honestly, but they're kind of cheap. They're like $35. So that's actually a pretty good deal. But I organized it, not by color, but by yarn type. I have my materials, like all my hooks and stuff, and there, like I said before, my packaging for Etsy and stuff. And then polyfill, work in progress, finished stuff. And then this was my great grandmother's, so I'm gonna keep my scrap yarn in that. But so far so good. I am actually really liking this so far. So maybe I'll do another video soon with the whole thing completed. All right, if you guys like this video, so please show some support by liking, subscribing, and commenting. Really helps me out so much, and I appreciate you guys for watching. As always, much love. Have a beautiful day.